Well, we're leaving Kenya for a bit, but not too long. We'll be right back after some few bitings here and there across to the west. Let's go to the West Africa, Nigeria. Brought to us this beautiful, amazing fruit. Is it fruit or vegetable? I don't know. Maybe, let's say fruit, because it's still a banana, but a type of banana called plantains. And I'm sure you have heard of it. If you've never tasted it, this is your time to try it out. And if you've ever tasted it but don't know how to make it, well, don't worry, just sit back, relax, and click that subscribe button tukiendelea so that you can know how to prepare it. So we are now in the west of Africa, West Africa, from east to the west. So these are plantains. They're a bit longer than the normal banana. As you can see, they're a bit longer. They're normally longer, and then it's sharp pointed at the edges. That's how you can differentiate a plantain from a banana. Then the next thing is to know whether it's ripe or not. Well, it will start out green, but now, just like a banana, you know, the blacker or the darker it is, the sweeter the banana will be. So the same to plantain, the darker it is, as you can see at the edges, the darker it is, the sweeter you'll have the plantains. You know, the darker the berry, the sweeter the juice. So that's how you know whether it's it's sweet or not. So you can, if they have turned from green to yellow, you can let them turn a slightly bit more darker to have that nice dark color, so that you can enjoy it very sweet. Just the same way you can make a banana bread with ripe bananas, that's the same way you want your plantains to be. So what you're just going to do is take one, then we're going to slice or slit it from our corner. So just from one corner. Then you just peel it. You just peel it open, and there you have your plantain ready to be enjoyed. Then after removing them, what we're just going to do is now cut them at an angle. So we just cut them at an angle with this kind of thickness. There we have it, our cut plantains into this kind of thickness and shape, just at an angle with this kind of shape. Then next, the beauty about plantains is you don't need even to do a lot of things. We're just going to fry them as is, nothing additional. If we want to add, we'll add them at the end. So we're just going to fry them as they are, simple as that. So let's go and fry. Just put them to fry. You just remove them from the fire. Remember, while you're frying, you have to keep on turning them to ensure they cook evenly. So our plantains are ready to be served and eaten. You can eat them in very many ways. So for today, we're just going to do two ways. The first is eating them as is, just directly from the frying pan. The trick to plantains is getting that ripe sweet banana. The darker it is, the sweeter it is. The second way is just adding some few spices. So we'll just pour some over here. Then for this, what we're just going to do is add in some bit of spices. So over here I've added just cinnamon and some paprika, and then I'm going to just coat them with that. So give it a toss, and that is ready to be enjoyed. The key to this is that cinnamon. Yummy. So that's it. Next time, remember, if you want to have something different, you can still travel while you're still where you are. Travel all the way to the west of Africa, Nigeria specifically, and get to enjoy some bit of these plantains. And whenever you're hosting, be the host with the most. You can also check out the previous hosting videos where I show you how to host with different menus and different things for your guests to enjoy. So that's it from me over here at Holami with me, Stacey Candy. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe and keep it locked till the next time where we have a new video right for you. You never know where we'll be traveling to, maybe physically or through food. Till next time, kwaheri. For me, I'll keep on enjoying my plantains over here. Goodbye.